September 26, 1983. Alarms screamed inside a Soviet bunker. Computers warned 5 U.S. nuclear missiles were incoming. The world was seconds away from World War III. Inside the Serpukhov 15 command center near Moscow, Lieutenant Colonel Stanislav Petrov sat before glowing red screens. The new Oko satellite system showed multiple missile launches from the United States. Soviet protocol demanded he report it immediately, and the Kremlin would likely order a full nuclear retaliation. But something didn't feel right. Petrov knew the system was new, untested. Why would America launch only 5 missiles? It made no strategic sense. With every passing second, pressure mounted. His superiors demanded confirmation. Petrov made a split-second decision. He told them it was a false alarm. He disobeyed procedure and waited. Minutes ticked by. No missiles appeared on radar. He was right. A reflection of sunlight on clouds had fooled the satellite sensors. Historians later called it the day one man saved the world. Petrov received no reward, only a reprimand for flawed reports, but his calm judgment prevented a nuclear apocalypse. In his words, "I was just doing my job." One decision, one man, and the planet kept turning.